Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would try my hand at making butter from heavy cream. Some videos say heavy whipping cream, others say heavy cream. So I did try heavy whipping cream and it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. And also too, I noticed that the heavy whipping cream had other ingredients. So I went over to Whole Foods and I found heavy cream. So now I'm going to try it with just doing heavy cream with the Kitchenaid mixer. So let's get started. I'm going to pour this in and then I'm going to attach my whisk. And I have a towel so I can catch any splatters. Hopefully this works for everyone, and if so, then I can save money by making my own butter. So let's get started. According to YouTube University, 2 cups, which is 1 pint, should yield 1 pound of butter. Now, I will say my mixer is old. I inherited from my aunt, and so it's quite noisy. So I may have to skip through a lot of this, but I will give you updates as I go along. Okay, excuse the noise, everyone, but this is what it's doing so far. It's at the whipped cream stage, so it shouldn't be too much longer before it gets to separating the cream from the buttermilk. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see where the buttermilk is separated. Okay, guys, looks like I'm almost getting there. And what I had to do is I'm holding a bowl of ice so that this can stay nice and cool and congeal. Again, sorry for the noise. It's my old mixer. Okay, guys, so I got it all solidified. Now it's time for me to rinse it. So I got my gloves on. I have my cheesecloth ready and some cold water to rinse. I'm excited, guys. Now, from my understanding, the leftover liquid is buttermilk. It can be used to make bread. I don't eat bread, unfortunately. I don't know what else I can use it for. Maybe I'll have to look up some recipes for that. Try to rinse this. So in my bowl, I have ice water. I think I'm gonna do one more rinse. Okay, so I have I filled up my bowl with some more water and ice. And what I did is I had set this on the ice so it can stay cold. So I'm gonna go in for another rinse. And then I have this container I'm gonna use to put my butter in. All right, that should do it. The water is clear. Let's unveil this. I do know that I'm going to invest in a nut bag because cheesecloth is kind of messy. So that's what it looks like. And now I'm going to just shape it into, I'm going to keep it on ice so it can stay cold. I'm going to shape it into the container. Maybe I will invest in some butter molds too. So Alrighty, that's what it looks like, everybody. Not the best mold, but it's molded. So I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna take a taste of this butter. So before I taste it, I wanna let you know that towards the end, I did add in some sea salt. Very, very creamy. Wow. I could have added a little bit more salt, but I'm fine with this for my first try, everybody. So here you go, my first time trying to make butter. So here's a few takeaways. When you first start out, if you're using a mixer, when you first start out, you can start out on high, and then as it starts to congeal, bring the speed down, okay? Then also too, it helps to have, this was metal, so it was easy for me to put the container underneath with some ice to keep it cold, because that would help it congeal. If it gets warm from the whipping, if it starts to warm, it becomes liquid and not solidify. So I learned that I turned the speed down, and then I put something cold up under here so that it can stay cool or cold enough so that it can solidify. And what other takeaways? Just make sure everything is cold that you're working with and everything, so that you can get butter. So thank you for watching me make butter for the first time. And again, like I said, if you're going to use heavy whipping cream, I now know that it wasn't the heavy whipping cream. Try to use one that has just one or two ingredients, not several ingredients, number one. And number two, bring the speed down. Start off on high, but then when you start getting, the curds, bring it down, and then make sure everything stays cold. So that's my learning experience working with a mixer and trying to make butter. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, show me some love, and I will see you on the next video. Bye now.